Today's total, closer to 300. I worked for 4 hours today. Yesterday I only worked for two to three. Another call I had yesterday, I had my first sneeze call. I've had sneeze custom video requests and I have sold sneeze videos, but I have never spoken live to a sneeze fan. So that was interesting. I have sneezing powder that I did bring out after a bit and used to clear my sinuses. And then we talked about how here in Texas there's lots of people that sneeze. And that sometimes if I'm in the grocery store in the detergent aisle, I will sneeze because it irritates me. It's very scented. And then I told the story of a lady I used to work with. We'll call her Miss Haley. And how she used to sneeze 17 times in a row every time she sneezed. Yeah, it was interesting. Nice guy. Hope he calls back. Easy peasy. But yeah, sneeze call.